This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Heidi Hanrek. A home built for entertaining. This home has it all. Incredible 16-person bar, walk-in cooler, huge space for events, holidays, etc. Outdoor Oasis with Arbor and above-ground pool. Another outdoor bar and cooking station. Adorable outdoor screened-in shed. All located on approximately 0.5 acres in a water access community. Inside this custom home is equally incredible with 2/1/1, a greenhouse, hot tub room, huge loft space with decks to either side of the second level for sunsets and water views. Main bedroom has a for walk-in cedar closet, bathrooms are spacious and updated. New lighting and carpet in the home. So much more to see and so many possibilities for hosting friends and family. No flood zone, little restrictions, no HOA. Extra lots are available for sale separately. Home being sold as is. Home is on 4 lots. See comments for #S for more information. Review the details below or contact Heidi Hanrek at 305-610-9441.